This is a beautiful but quite plain wooden step stool which we had at home. Probably bought it a couple of years ago. It was quite plain, piece from IKEA. I decided to add some, beautiful motifs to it and make it look all colorful so that it fits in with the theme of our home. As you already know, I love color. I love bright colors. I keep mixing till I find the right shade. This video was such a pleasure to shoot. I liked the whole process of, chronicling all the hard work that went into this. You'll see the beautiful outlines, the beautiful colors. The final wooden step stool looks quite gorgeous, and I'll be sharing the video with you all very soon. Enjoy! Hey, and don't forget to leave me your comments. I really look forward to reading them.